It's about to be so cool.
Sorry.
What the f?
Which is my good sides? They're all good sides, darling.
Your guests are leaving. I suggest. Hello. Sorry.
It was exhilarating.
It was what? I was actually thinking I could wear a dance to the dress, please. Thank you.
But hey. When in Rome.
Listening.
Wait, let's do that.
I'm in love with you.
I figured.
Good morning, Greendale. This is Ross, Jazz, and Lachlan on Witches and
Lol.
Don't say what?
LMAO?
No.
LMFAO?
No.
OMG? Squads? On fleek? Hundy P?
Oh my.
I just got older in one scene.
I'm always having fun, man.
They smell bad. We didn't do it.
Of course not.